guys, Eric with Eric's Garage AZ, and I got my buddy Dave here, and he has got a 2021 Ford Mustang GT Premium. And Dave, I understand it's got some other cool packages done to it. Tell us a little bit about this car and the packages and stuff.
It came with the Performance Package 1, and it also came with the active exhaust system.
Okay, so now these were additional options, and you were seeking out this specific car. Is that what you were doing?
Absolutely.
Okay, cool. Now I notice the color is very, very cool too. What's the deal with the color? And I mean, was this something you were looking for previously, or did it just happen to stumble upon it?
Actually, it wasn't. I didn't even know this color existed at the time I was looking for the car. I previously had a 2016 EcoBoost Mustang that was in a magnetic metallic, and that was the color that I really wanted. They no longer make the Mustang in that color.
Okay.
I ran upon this at the Ford dealership. I'd never seen the color before.
Really?
It's called Antimatter Blue.
Well, that's a pretty wild color,
yeah.
Especially in this day and age of learning about antimatter and stuff like that.
Right. It's when I first saw it on the lot, I thought it was black.
Wow.
And in fact, when you look at it from specific directions, it is black.
Yep.
But from other directions, it's a dark blue, and it even gets into somewhat of the purple hues as well.
I noticed that when we were shooting the video of the car here previously, that it was kind of like gave you that almost chameleon type effect, only it was different shade, like black, blue, and then a little bit of a like purplish and whatnot. Now tell me about this rear deck spoiler, because you were really, this is really cool. I mean, you don't see this kind of deck spoiler around anywhere.
Well, the deck spoiler is part of the performance pack.
Okay.
And, you know, I like to say...
This specific deck spoiler is?
Right.
Okay.
It's part of the GT Performance Pack, and I like to say it's aggressive without being obnoxious.
Let's get around this here. Now that's really cool looking. Look at that. That's pretty neat. I like that spoiler. My spoiler is obviously a lot different. Of course, then again, I have a much older car. But now, what about these stripes? I know you were shopping around for stripes, and they have that kind of like that carbon fiber look to them.
Right. Those are the 3M 1080. Actually, I think it's 2080 now they call them. The 3M 2080. It's anthracite carbon fiber striping. I had those put on by one of the local custom shops.
Well, you can tell the name of that custom shop because we'll give them a tag of his YouTube video.
It's Apex Customs, located down in Tempe.
Very nice. All right, that's very, very cool. So what we're going to do next, this is the fun part, is next up we are going to be doing the different exhaust tones, and then we're also going to take this thing for a drive, so stay tuned. So I'm here with my buddy Dave, and we are looking at his 2021 Ford Mustang GT Premium, and I understand it has 4 different exhaust tones, plus it has different drive modes. So Dave, why don't you tell us a little bit about the drive modes, and then how you can separate the drive mode from the exhaust tone and whatnot.
Okay, Eric, well, to get the different exhaust modes, you've got to purchase the active exhaust option.
Okay.
It comes with 4 different exhaust tones. It has quiet, normal, sport, and track. Quiet being for in the morning when you start up your car at 5 o'clock in the morning and you don't want to wake up all the neighbors. You can set it on quiet. You can also go into your menu and set that quiet mode up to automatically occur during certain times of the day, so that when you get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and you're half asleep too, you don't have to remember to change it to quiet before you fire up your car. It will automatically be in quiet during that time frame if you set that up.
Cool. And now you said it can automatically be programmed out of quiet as well, so later on during the day it'll automatically revert to whatever exhaust tone you want?
Right, absolutely. You can set a start time and a stop time for the quiet mode.
Okay, cool. Cool. All right.
If you have the active exhaust, you can also control, first of all, from your drive mode. As most people probably know, there are various drive modes that you can set with this toggle switch down here. One being normal,
okay,
sport, track, drag strip, and snow or wet.
Now, when you flip that toggle switch, does it display in your dashboard what you've done?
Absolutely, it sure does. And
you want to show us that?
What that affects is that affects your throttle response. It affects the steering comfort. It affects the traction controls.
Gotcha.
And it affects your exhaust system.
Nice. All right, cool. So let's see what happens here. Oh, I see. So Sport shows up.
You can see there on the left side.
Yeah,
it says
sure
Sport.
do. Yep.
Sport Plus.
Yeah. And now track.
Track.
That's more aggressive. Oh, look at the dashboard change.
It also changed your dashboard.
That's cool.
And
that shows you some serious red line action down there,
right,
about 7,500
over
RPM.
here, your traction control also went off.
Oh, very nice. Okay, very cool.
Drag strip.
Yep.
And with drag strip, that turns on all your drag drag strip apps, your track apps, such as line lock.
Nice.
So that you can do your burnouts. It'll automatically lock the front brakes for you, so that you can do a 15-second burnout.
That's
heat up
cool.
your tires.
Oh, nice. Gotta love that.
Snow or wet, which primarily affects your throttle response and gives you a really sluggish throttle response, so you don't have a problem with slipping and sliding and losing traction.
Oh, yeah. That makes total sense. All right, cool.
Normal. We are in the normal mode now.
Okay, we were talking about the snow and whatnot.
Then there we went back to Sport Plus, which is where we started.
Okay. All right, cool. And then you can also now, when you're in Sport Plus, you can also change exhaust notes while you're in that specific driving mode. Is that correct?
Yeah, you sure can. Use your pony button here to go to your pony menu, and you can go scroll up to exhaust mode. Hit that. As you can see now, it's in sport.
Yeah.
We go down here to track and select track.
Okay.
You get that warning saying that's for track use only, but who cares?
Right.
And so now we would be in Sport Plus as far as our steering, our throttle, and our transmission response, but we're in track mode for the exhaust.
All right. Now that sounds pretty. All right, so this is Eric and Dave, and we're getting ready to take off and go for a little test drive in this car and hear how the engine tone, exhaust tone sound. Ripping down the roads. Now, what mode are we in right now, Dave?
We're in sport mode right now.
Okay. We here at Eric's Garage AZ are burning the midnight oil to bring you the best quality videos we can find. If you like the content and you want to support our channel, please buy me a coffee, hit the link below, and if you drop your email, you will get a shout out on one of our next videos. Well, I got to tell you, Dave, this doesn't disappoint, man. This car is absolutely gorgeous, number one. Number two, it performs like a dream. Number three, it sounds like a true freaking race car. What are your final thoughts?
Thanks, Eric. It's another check off the bucket list, buddy.
No problem, man. All right, remember what they say in Eric's Garage AZ Land? Drive it like you stole it, bitches. Till next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching the last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.